What are you doing? Oh, Slinky Kitty.
Hoy, shut down! Kita na siguro kayo, Timmy. I am downfall to the stair because may back pain. Ikagin akong likod, katol kayo. Akong gibagnos diri sa kuhan. Diri sa hagdanan. You cannot understanding me? You're so slow. My God. We've been together here in the house and then you don't understanding me that I am like this every morning. I have back pain. You know, my back is sliding the stairs. Stairway to heaven because you see me. I'm heartache, my back pain. Why are you understand me? You say, shut down your English. Kiat ng naong ni mo ha? Kabalong kita na ka nga. Nagkapuliki na ko diri. Ay. I am a kangaroo. I should jump to the backyard, not here to the inside of the room. Just sliding to the stair. Give me outside. Exit me.